Hello everyone! Today I have a review of another Italian knife, this time from the MKM company, model TIMAVO. MKM, it is Maniago knife makers. It's a premium brand that unites knife manufacturers and designers from Maniago in Italy. First of all, I want to praise the company for their very good customer service and very fast delivery. I received the package the next day after the order. In a box, a Velcro patch with the manufacturer's logo, a manufacturer's leaflet in Italian language, a black nylon sheath with zip, with the manufacturer's name and the colors of the Italian flag. And the knife itself. Total length is 18.2 centimeters, blade length is 6.8 centimeters, blade thickness is 3.4 millimeters. The steel of the blade is M319. It's a high-class Austrian polymer stainless steel, tempered between 58 to 60 HRC, full felt grind, stonewash finish. On one side you can see the company name, MKM, the inscription Maniago Italy, and the name of the steel, M319. On the other we have the inscription Vox, from the designer Jasper Voknes and made by Nikita. Liner lock. The knife runs on ball bearings. The handle scales are made of micarta in a color that looks like a mix of green and brown. It's hard to describe, but it looks very interesting. Titanium ring around the pivot screw. The wire pocket clip. This is my favorite form of pocket clip. Very minimalistic, but it has that's something special. A hole for paracord. In summary, high-class flipper from a premium brand with a great design. It works very nicely. I didn't notice any difficulties with opening. Micarta, which provides an excellent grip even in a sweaty hand. Great steel. MKM has many interesting models in its offer. Folders, pocket knives and fixed blades. I love the TIMAVO model, but I also liked models such as Gotcha, Flamelight, Macro or TPF Defense, so there is plenty to choose from. The highest quality materials and eye-catching designs, this is what the MKM brand is. Definitely one of the top Italian brands. I have to admit that in Italy are created very interesting designs of everything. Home interiors, clothes, cars, some knives couldn't be omitted either. That's all in this video, thanks for watching.